I'm Muhammad Sahibati, the moderator for today's discussion from Absent 17.
I am Ahmed Shito from Absent 1.
And I am Sulaiman Baitnera from Attention 31.
I am Hamzah Taslim Maji from Absent 8.
And I am Ismail Mayer from Absent 10.
I am Suja Ramadhani from Absent 33.
And I am Muhammad Al-Farizi from Absent 13.
Thank you for joining us. Today, we will be explaining an explanation text with the topic tsunami. Let's begin by welcoming the first speaker.
This time, I will explain about what is explanation text and example of the title explanation text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells processes relating to forming of the natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is it to say why and how about the forming of the phenomena. It is the found of the social science, geography, and history textbooks. And there's 5 examples of the explanation text title. 1. How the photosynthesis works. 2. How the thunder and lightning are formed. 3. Why we experience jet lag. And 4. How the rainbow are formed. And the last, how the Earth's gravity works.
Hi guys, I'm gonna tell you about purpose of explanation text. An explanation text, it's all about explaining how or why something happens. It makes people understand things like why the sun set, how rainbow appear, or why people need sleep. Pretty awesome, right? Next, I want to mention about generic structure. 1. Title or general statement. First, we introduce what we are gonna explain. 2. Explanation or series of events. Then we break it step by step so it's super clear. 3. Conclusion. It's optional anyway, and yep, we finally wrap it up with a short summary or final thoughts.
Language features in explanation text include use of present tense facts, use of abstract noun, use of passive voice, use of action verbs, use of technical terms, use of connectors, clear mention of time and place, use of general subject. These features help processes or phenomena clearly and accurately. Next, the thesis. The thesis in an explanation text is about introduces the topic and gives brief preview of what will be explained, and help the reader understand what they will learn.
Hello, my name is Suci Ramadhani. I will explain why we chose this tsunami theme. We chose the theme of tsunami because tsunami is natural disaster that a major impact on human life. By discussing this theme, we can better understand the causes, impact, and ways to reduce the risk. This theme is also important to encourage public awareness to be better prepared for disaster. Tsunami is also seems an interesting topic to explain because how common the disaster happen and how destructive the disaster can be.
I will explain the cause and effect of a tsunami. Tsunami is a natural disaster caused by large waves that hit the land, usually after an undersea or volcanic eruption. This disaster can make serious damage and loss of life. Causes of tsunami: number 1 is undersea earthquakes, number 2 is volcanic eruption, number 3 is landslide, and number 4 meteorite impact. Effect of tsunami: number 1 is loss of life and injuries, number 2 is damage to infrastructure, number 3 is environmental destruction, number 5 is economic impact, and then the last number 5, psychological trauma.
We chose this theme to learn about tsunamis and their causes, how terrible this disaster is.
Another thing, the reason we choose this theme is because to give awareness and alert for you and everyone about tsunami. In summary, explanation text is a text that tells about how things happen. Its purpose to give the reader some knowledge and hoping the reader will learn something new. Like the explanation we just told you, which is how does a tsunami happen, is the example of the explanation text. So basically, tsunami is a natural disaster caused by massive wave that hit land. It caused by the earthquake undersea and some volcano eruption. The aftermath of this disaster is really destructive. It's able to destroy and wipe out land and some lives.
Thanks you for watching. We hope
You learned something new.
from our explanation.
We are from Group 5. See you next time.